Unit 4, Lesson 12 homework. Let's get right into it. All right, 364 divided by 14. We're going to use partial quotients. So let's think about this. Let's use our powers of 10, all right, to take out pieces until we get to the answer that we want to get to, okay? So if we were to do 14 times 10, what would that equal? You should be telling me, oh, that's 140. So let's go ahead and do that. Well, we're going to keep it simple keep it real simple on this first one, all right? We're just going to take out chunks till we get to where we want to do. So let's go ahead and take out 10. So we'll write our 10 up here just to make sure we're keeping track of everything we need to do. So 10 times 14 is 140. So let's subtract that, 42. So now we get 224. Aha. How about this? Could we take out another 140? I think that'll make sense, right? Let's go ahead and do that. So let's do 10 more. That's going to take out another 140 because 10 times 14 is 140. 4 minus 0 is 4. You got to borrow. 12 minus 4 is 8. So now we got 84. All right, so now we need to start thinking, 14 times what will give us 84? I'm not really sure, but how about this? Maybe we could take out I know 4 probably isn't the answer, but I know I could take out 4 more. Let's take out, oh wait, never mind. Let's use what we know. Because we know 14 times 10 is 140. How about we just take out half of that? We can take out 5. 5 times 14 equals 70. So what we got left? 14. So we know that we could take 1 more out. Because 14 times 1 equals 14 equals 0. So now our answer would be adding up all of these. So 10 plus 10 is 20 plus 5. So our answer is 26. All right? Because basically what we did was 26 times 14 equals 364. And we know that because when we did 14 times 10, took out this much. We did 14 times 10, took out that much. Then we said we can't take out 10 more, but we could take out 5. 14 times 5, take out that much. All right, so guys, you don't got to get it all in one walk. All right? However comfortable you feel with your multiplication and however comfortable you feel with, just with partial quotients in general, that's the coolest thing. You got freedom. Like, I'm going to be honest, I could probably have 4 different people do this problem, and they might do it 4 different ways and still get the same answer. So I ain't going to talk you to death. Let's go to this next problem, because the last 3 days, well, this is the 3rd day, our homework has been all about partial quotients, but we've done it in kind of like 3 different formats, but basically it's the same thinking for all of them. Y'all know 2 days ago, it was all about like the area model. So the format looked kind of like the box method. And then the second day, it was kind of like just a regular like partial quotients format. So when we get to the test, you're going to be using partial quotients, but I want you to use whichever format like makes you feel good. A lot of you all might gravitate towards this one. So this format here, the same format, 21 357 divided by 21. So now let's think about it. Let's keep it simple. Powers of 10, because powers of 10 you can do it in your head. We're trying to make it not as easy as possible. Work smarter, not harder. So think about like numbers that are easy to multiply in your head. That's why we're using the powers of 10, because it's like you don't got to do no math. What's 21 times 10? Add a 0 to this. So 21 times 10 is going to be 210. So let's start with that, because that would be a nice little chunk or a nice little piece we could take out first. So 10 times 21 is 210. We'll go ahead and subtract that. 7, 5 minus 1 is 4. So now we got 147 left. All right, do we have enough? So now is when we got to start using a little bit more critical thinking. Because we can't do another powers of 10. Because if we do, it will be 21 times 10 is 210. All right, and that's going to be too much. So how about we chop that in half? Let's chop it in half, because then we could still do it and like be able to use math where we don't have to do any real math. Because think about what's 210 chopped in half. You should be telling me it's 105. So we won't take out a 10 piece, we'll take out a 5 piece. And 5 times 21 is 105. And what we got? 2, 4. So now we got 42. So we need to figure out 42 divided by 21. And hopefully you should know that's 2. If you don't, that's a problem. All right. So now we need to be talking about our answer. And our answer is going to be adding up the chunks that we took out. 10 plus 5 plus 2 equals 17. So 17 times 21 is 357. And we know that because at first we know 21 times 10 equals that. Oops, 21 times 5 equals that. And then 21 times 2 equals that. I should have did that part on the first problem. All right, but this is what I want to see. You are going to do 2 more problems. I'm sorry, you are going to do 2 more problems, and those problems are 627 divided by 33, and then you're going to do 625 divided by 25. And you'll use the same type of structure and same type of procedures with doing that. All right?